$1,000 for a domain found by a Python script while you were asleep.
Most great names are taken. The rest read like keyboard noise. Domain Hunter is the filter. It composes candidates from curated keywords, modifiers, locations, and clever hack TLDs.
Every candidate runs a Zipf frequency check. If real humans never say it, it dies here.
Then a GPT-2 perplexity score. Above 30, it reads like static, discarded. Survivors hit a whois pool. 80 threads in parallel with retry on failure. Taken names die here. Survivors hit HumbleWorth in batches of 20. Each comes back with a live auction estimate in dollars. Above the threshold, the candidate is stamped, dated, and written to a CSV. LoveClothes.com came out of this funnel. It sold at Afternic for $1,000.
One Python file, CPU only. The hunt runs overnight on a laptop.
Open source on GitHub. Plug in nothing and start mining. Wake up to a list of names that could pay your rent.